Windows operating system was developed by which company? Apple, Google, Microsoft, Adobe. Answer is Microsoft. Questions 2. Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows NT and Windows Vista are known as processor, operating system, domain names, modems. Answer is operating system. Windows operating system is a or an open source, property, both and none of this. Answer is property software. Various application and documents are represented on the Windows desktop by graphs, label, icon, symbols. Answer is icons. In which year Microsoft released Windows 10? 2010, 2012, 2013, 2015. Answer is 2015. In Windows 10, what is the shortcut key to take a screenshot of the entire display and save it? Control screen, Alt screen, Shift screen, Window key screen. Answer is Window key, PRT SCN, print screen. Dash are graphical object used to represent commonly used application. Icons, windows, drivers, GUI, graphical user interface. Answer is GUI, graphical user interface. Using the dash process, it is easy to change the name of the file, changing, renaming, new name, transforming. Answer is renaming. Which task runs fast when the computer is booted and loads a graphical user interface? Authentication, desktop manager, Windows Explorer, file manager. And the answer of this question is authentication. Which one is the default word processor for Microsoft Windows? WordPad, Notepad, MS Word, MS Paint. And the answer is WordPad. Which function key needs to be pressed during reboot to enter in safe mode of a Windows machine? F10, F8, F2 and F1. Answer is F8. Which of the following keyboard shortcut can be used to open File Explorer in Windows 10 system? Control F, Window F, Control E, Window E. And the answer is Window E. This is a centralized place to view all maintenance and system messages. It is displayed by a flag-like icon on the taskbar. It is called the Action Center, Media Center, User Account Center, and the Update Center, where the answer is Action Center. What does the XP stands for in Windows XP? Exponential, experience, expertise, exchange. Answer is experience. Next question. What is the name of the new built-in browser included in Windows 10? Opera, Edge, Cortana Explorer? The answer is Edge. Windows operating system is CUI, GUI, both of these and none of these. The answer is GUI, graphical user interface. Windows command prompt is CUI, GUI, both of these, none of these. And the answer is CUI. BIOS is used by output device, microprocessor, operating system, and hardware. And the answer is operating system. Date and time are available on the desktop at a keyboard, recycle bin, my computer, and the taskbar. The answer is taskbar. On the taskbar, the time is shown in the start menu, scroll bar, desktop, or notification area or a tray, where the answer is notification area or tray. NTFC stands for dash and it was developed by dash. New technology file system by Apple. Network technology file system by Intel. Answer is new technology file system by Microsoft. Which of the following is not an example of an operating system? Windows 10, BSD Unix, Microsoft Office XP, Red Hat Linux. And the answer is Microsoft Office XP. What is the full form of GUI? Graphics User Interface, Graphical User Interface. Answer is Graphical User Interface. What is the full form of CUI? And the answer is Character User Interface. What is the full form of DOS operating system? And the answer is Disk Operating System. Microsoft released their first GUI based OS dash in 85. Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 10, and DOS. Answer is Windows 1.0. Which of the following Windows does not have a start button? Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows XP, all of these. And the answer is Windows 8. What is the full form of CLI? Command line interchange, command line interface, and the answer is command line interface. How much minimum storage space is required for Windows 11? At least 16 GB, 32 GB, 64 GB, or at least 128 GB. And the answer is at least 64 GB. Question number 33. 34. Which Windows is used for PC, business, desktop, laptop, and servers? Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows 7. In Windows 10, biometric login features has been named Windows Hello, Windows BO, Windows Padlock, Windows Instant. Answer is Windows Hello. Windows database called Shell, Kernel, Windows Explorer, Registry. Answer is Registry. Release date of Windows operating system is 20 November 88, 20 November 87, and the answer is 20 November 1985. Windows operating system was written in JavaScript, C, Visual Basic, or all of this, where the answer is all of these: JavaScript, C, and Visual Basic. Latest version of Windows operating system is Windows 9, Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 12. Answer is Windows 11. Help menu is available at which button? End, start, restart, and a turn off. Answer is start. The taskbar is located on the start menu at the top of the screen, on the quick launch toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Answer is at the bottom of screen. Which of the following operating system does not implement the multitasking truly? Windows 98, Windows NT, Windows XP, MS DOS. Where the answer is MS DOS, disk operating system. Next question number 44. Which of the following operating system do you choose to implement a client server network? MS DOS, Windows 98, Windows 2000. Where the answer is Windows 2000. Which among the following operating system is command line based? Mac operating system, Windows 7, Windows XP, MS DOS. Where the answer is MS DOS. Next question number 46. What is the full form of MS DOS? Macro, Microsoft or MS device operating system? Answer is Microsoft disk operating system. Which of the following type of menu shows further sub choices? Reverse, template, scrolled, pull down. And the answer is pull down. To shut down Windows, you need to select dash option from the start menu and then select shutdown. Setting, account, control panel, power. Where the answer here is power. In any window, the maximize button, the minimize button, and the close button appears on toolbar, title bar, menu bar, status bar. Where the answer is title bar. All the deleted files go to recycle bin, taskbar, toolbar, or my computer. Here, the answer is recycle bin, where the recycle bin contains all the deleted files. Start button is located at the dash corner of the taskbar, left, right, center, and all of this, where the answer is left. How many different documents can you have open at a time? Only one, no more than three, as many as your computer memory will hold, none of this. Where the answer of this question is as many as your computer memory will hold. And the next question number 53. Zipping a file means encrypting the message, compressing the message, transfer the message, and all of this. Where answer of this question is compressing the message. Next, go for next question, that is question number 54, that is you organize files by storing them in dash archives, folders, indexes, that is folder. Next question, you can keep your personal file and folders in my document, my folder, my text, or my files, and the answer is my document. Next question, Windows 10 belongs to which family or Windows? Windows 7X, NT, Net, AP. Where the answer is Windows NT. Which of the following is a file? Floppy disk, magnetic drum, magnetic tape, none of these. Where the answer is none of these. Question number 58. Microsoft Windows was announced by Bill Gates on 1980, 82, 83 and 85, where the answer is 10 November 1983. A place that a user can create to store files, that is cursor, text, folder or boot, and the answer is folder. What does G stand for in GUI? Graphical, graphics, global or group? Where the answer is graphical. What is the shortcut key to refresh Windows? F1, F2, F5 and F10. Where the answer is F5. Next, go for next question. When you move a file to the recycle bin, it will be immediately deleted from your computer. It is a yes or no question. You have to give yes if right or no if wrong. And the answer is no. Then we have to go for next question. Question number 63, that is, which processor do Windows 8 support? x86, ARM, x86 and ARM both. And the answer is x86 and ARM both. Which file system Windows 10 uses? FAT16, FAT32, NTFC, LMFC. And the answer is NTFC file system. On which device will Windows 8 not run? Tablet, laptop, smartphone and desktop. Where the answer of this question is, when you double click file on the desktop, it will open in the dash. Default application for the file type, start menu, control panel, most recently opened application. And the answer of this question is default applications for the file types. Here the next questions, and the question number 67, that is, if the users wants to delete a folder in the disk operating system, he will use dash command, ren, del, cd, md. And here last one is none of this. And here the answer of this question is del, delete option. And the question's answer is delete option. Then go for next question. Question number 68. You can only have one user account on a Windows computer. It is a true or false question. A true, B false. And the answer is false. Next question. Suppose you have several windows open on the desktop, but some of them are hidden behind other windows. What is the easiest way to switch to one of the hidden windows? Press Ctrl Alt Delete, press your computer's power button, click the icon on the taskbar, or close all programs and reopen them one by one. Here the answer of this question is, think about it. And here the answer of this question is Click the icon on the taskbar. Which of the following is a component of the Windows operating system? Adobe Photoshop, Google Chrome, File Explorer, Microsoft Office. And the answer is